Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Karim, and today I'm urging each of you to be kind to your fellow man. Do not be mean. Replace the meanness in your heart with kindness. Or replace every bad thought with goodness. You know, if you ever are around in this holy month, because this is the holy month of Ramadan, and if you're ever into thinking, I should be a mean git, don't! I'm telling you now, do not be mean. Do not think mean thoughts. Do not be a scroungy git in this holy month. Remember, this is the best month of the year. This is the best month to be alive. This is the best month to be a Muslim. So I'm calling each of you, remember your abdul and come to goodness.